Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to hide completed tags in Asana. How to get that done? First things first, launch your Asana account. This is mine. Good evening, Amanda. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to create an account in Asana. Launch in a browser of your choice. Right here I'm using Chrome. And then locate a search bar. In the search bar type asana.com and that's going to take you to the official website for Asana. Once you head into the website, go ahead and locate the sign up button, click on that, and follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. Now, once you're done creating your account, boom, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Asana. Now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to hide completed tags in Asana. If your completed tags, you're looking to have achieved a lot in your face and you just want to, of course, hide it. At the meantime, here's exactly what you can do. First off, as you can see, my board says 0 tags completed, so I'm just going to have to force completed tags. So I'm going to click on my project and draft project brief. It says it's not completed, of course. I'm going to click on this good icon right here. So once you click on that and then it turns green, all right, and then it's blurry kind of green, it shows it has been complete. So as you can see, mark task as incomplete. If I toggle that off, it's incomplete, and then it says mark task complete. So click on that, it's complete. You see that banner that says completed. I'm going to also complete schedule kickoff meeting, and these 2 tasks are completed. Now they have a celebration, false celebration. This is a lie. This is a lie. This is a lie. So here's how you can hide your completed tags. Head over to this left corner where you have my tags. Click on my tags, and here you go. So head over to this right corner where you have filter. Click on filter and then click on incomplete tags. You're gonna see that. Now click on completed tags. I'm supposed to see the completed tags right here. Why is it not showing? All right. So completed tags. Because that's supposed to not misbehave in a normal day. So I'm headed over to my project again. I completed this task. So this task I completed. Apparently. Completed. So head over to my tags. No. Okay. Filter. All right, so okay, incomplete tags. So this is the incomplete tags community project plan and completed tags. So it's definitely supposed to show my completed tags if it's showing my incomplete tags. So I think this feature is currently down, but then if it shows completed tags, if you click on this completed tags and then you go the way back, that's definitely supposed to show all of my completed tags that was completed there, but it's not currently not showing. All right, but then it's meant to show. You're supposed to see it. But if you want to hide it, head over to filter and then click on incomplete tags. And once you click on incomplete tags, all your completed tags are going to be hidden. All right, so that's it. So pretty much the process, just go right the same way. All right, so click on filter. Remember, click on filter, and then to hide your tags, click on filter and then head over to incomplete tags. All right, but if you want to, of course, make your completed tags visible, click on completed tags and you're going to see all of your completed tags, which of course is not showing here. I don't know what beef it has. But then click on incomplete tags and then all your completed tags will be hidden. So this is pretty much the, the mathematics involved. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.